Welcome everyone to another video on this channel. This time we talk about how you can fix widgets which are not working on your iPhone. So a couple of different things we can do at first. At first, 100% of the first thing I ever do when such problem just emerges, I just restart my iPhone, right? It's just that simple. Just perform a simple restart, like turn off your iPhone, wait a bit, and then turn it back on. And usually, if it's not like a bigger or deeper issue, then the widgets just start working normally. So go ahead and do that at first. However, then you can also just check for the software updates. Sometimes Apple releases fixes for essentially these kind of issues in a software update. So open up the settings, then general, then software update, and make sure you run on the latest version. Another thing which you can take a look at is the background app refresh, as a couple of different apps may need to be refreshed in the background in order to give you the proper and most up-to-date information. So if you open up the settings, then again in the general section, you should find the background app refresh, and just look at the app that you want to use for the widget, and you might probably want to keep it turned on in here, meaning that it can access the internet or whatever it needs to do to get the proper information for it to be displayed on the widget. So make sure you turn it on for this. Also, what sometimes helps is just clearing the widgets that you use and just re-add them again, right? So you can also just update the specific app through the App Store. You can look it up in there, update in the latest version, and then just add the widget one more time. So it is up to you, but I would just recommend you to do that as well. So that's basically all the tips which I have for you. I really do hope that you managed to make some of them work. Thank you very much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.